Well, folks, this is Douglas Allen Frazier back with a unexpected event. I was trying to fish for some bluegill using some gulp worms, and I have got myself tangled up, I'm guessing, with a catfish. That's all I can say. I think I've got a catfish on here. I've got a light outfit. Got plenty of test line. It's no problem. It's a 10-pound braid line. But I'm going to put this down and we'll just see what we can do. I don't know how much video we'll get of this, but this is one of those serendipity moments. Whoa, we're pulling some drag. So we'll just see what happens. I don't know where he is. Doesn't feel real big. Big enough. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's taking out some line, that's for sure. I'll tighten it up a little bit, but I don't want to stress it out. We've moved a little bit. He's over here now. We'll just kind of follow along with the camera or video. Okay, we're over on the left side now. He's coming towards me. Whoops. He's way over here now. Gonna have to go around a pole. This is real fun when you're fishing and filming without a GoPro. Oh, I think there I saw him. Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Oh, what do we got? We got some grass. What do we got? Okay, I can see him. I can see his tail. There he is a little bit. I don't have the drag set real tight. He can pull drag, but I've still got plenty of leverage on him. Not sure what test I've got on my leader. I mean, I was using it for bluegill. It's probably 4 or 6 pound test. We'll just see what we got. Whoa, he's switching around again. So he's over here now. I have to move the rod around. Okay, come on. He's out there. Oh, he's a nice fish. Definitely a nice fish. Okay, he's back here on my left side again. I'll switch the camera around. Oh my. We're still going. Oh, there's a nice kitty. Okay, come on. Oh God, here. Okay, we'll keep going. Yeah, he's a nice fish. And here's the other things, folks. I forgot to tell you. He's on a number 10 hook. Just a little bitty hook. And the other thing is, I've got my Jimmy Houston barbless hooked. So that means he'll be easy to get off once we get him in. Jimmy Houston said you could get a big fish on this barbless hook, but I don't know about. Woo! Man, oh man, oh man. Oh, I'm wearing them down. I'm wearing them down. Whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to go under there. Whoa, look at that kitty. That is a nice, you see him? That is one nice cat. Yeah, look at that hunk. Well, I tell you what, folks, I'm going to take him up onto the shore. We'll work him around, and then I'm going to let him go. I'm going to let him go. Great fight. I love it. I love it. We'll just pull him in here. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay. I've got him. I got to get off here now. And let some line out. Okay. Mr. Kitty Kitty. Where are you? There he is, folks. That's a nice cat. Well, I tell you what, folks. I've got to work the camera, work this rod, and let this guy go. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'm going fishing 21-3. We've got ourselves a very nice channel cat on a size 10 hook on a Mr. Gulp small worm. Anyway, God bless you all, and we will see you again on I'm Going Fishing 21-3.